Hey, everybody. I hope everybody is having a wonderful day today. My name is LaShawn of No Limit Tax Refunds Tucker, and I wanted to come here with you guys and quickly share a video about the new tax changes that are going to affect your situation for the upcoming tax season. And the reason that I wanted to make this video is because there have been so many changes with the new tax reform that a lot of people have been coming to me and saying, what's going to happen? What is going on? So I will be making a series of videos addressing many of these changes. And this is the first one. Now, this video is really going to be for my average everyday tax professional, tax client. I'm just going to go over some basic things that have been changing that may affect you. And over the course of the next couple weeks, I'll be getting into more detailed changes, right? So I'm going to start off with some positive changes to the tax laws because I love to start off on a positive note. And I want you guys to be happy because it's not all bad, right? So the first thing that I'm really excited about, because this is going to help a lot of my tax clients, and that is that the child tax credit has been increased. It was previously $1,000 and that has been increased to $2,000. So what this means is that if you have a child that's under 17 and previously you were getting that child tax credit, you're most likely going to see an increase in your tax refund, which is exciting and I'm really happy about. Another great change affecting the child tax credit is that the phase out income has also increased. So it's up to $200,000 now. So, if you previously made too much money and you didn't qualify for that child tax credit, this year you may qualify. So definitely, I'm very excited about that. I love to see people getting more money instead of paying more money on their taxes, right? So I'm very excited about that. Another credit that the IRS has added is a $500 credit for other dependents. And when I think about this credit, I really think about my clients who are caring for elderly parents and grandparents. Previously, these relationship types did not allow you to get a credit under the previous years, but this year they're actually extending that credit. So if you have aging parents or grandparents, you might see a tax credit of up to $500 for those dependents. So I'm very excited about that. It's going to help a lot of people, and that is wonderful news. All right, so those are my two favorite changes for the tax reform. So now I'm going to get into one that is kind of neutral. So the standard deduction has increased, which means that less people will likely have to itemize because of the standard deduction increase. Now, I'm going to make another video where I talk about the standard deduction table and we'll get into more how that's going to affect you based off your income. But just know that because of that increase, a lot less people are going to qualify to itemize, but they probably won't need to itemize. So, that could be good or bad just depending on your personal situation, right? And then this is one that's hitting me kind of hard. This is going to affect my employees. So if you're expecting a W-2 from your employer and previously you filed Form 2106, unreimbursed employee business deductions, I believe it was called. If you filed Form 2106, then you're most likely no longer going to be able to file that form. It's been severely restricted, and only certain types of employees are going to be able to file that way. And that's really our armed force reservists, qualified performing artists, and just a few other select individuals, our employees, will be able to use that form. So what that means is if you previously were deducting, let's say, your work uniforms, or if you had a home office and you worked from home, or your mileage, or anything to do with your employer not reimbursing you for certain expenses, you're no longer going to be able to deduct those expenses on Form 2106. But because the standard deduction did increase, you may not need to use that form. So it really just depends on your situation. Um, those are really the four things that I wanted to discuss today. I want to keep it real simple. So just to go over it again, number one, the child tax credit has been increased from $1,000 to $2,000, and the phased out income limitation has increased so that more and more people are going to qualify for the child tax credit. There's also been a $500 credit for other dependents. That's going to help a lot of people. The standard deduction has increased, which may mean that you don't need to itemize this upcoming tax season. And then Form 2106, unreimbursed business deductions, I hope I said that right, has been taken away for many people, so you may not be able to use that form. So these are some of the changes that are going to affect my everyday tax clients. And I do want to say, with all these changes happening with the tax reform, I would encourage you, if you have not used a tax professional before, this may be the season that you decide to use a professional, just to ensure that you have all your ducks in a row and that you are making sure that you get all the credits and you're taking advantage of all the deductions that you possibly can. I know a lot of people like to use TurboTax and these interview style tax softwares, but just to be honest with you guys, it's not going to help every single person. It's not going to ask you all the questions that will ensure that you get the business or see the biggest benefit in your tax situation. So if you are looking for a tax professional for the upcoming season, I would like to shamelessly recommend myself and our staff here at No Limit Tax Refunds Tucker. We go to the IRS seminars. We stay up to date on our continuing education credit to ensure that we are very familiar with all of the credits and deductions that our clients qualify for. So if you are looking for a new tax professional, please give us a call. You can reach us a number of ways. Give us a call at 888-679-6771. Feel free to go to our website, www.nolimittaxtuckerga.com, and on there you can schedule an appointment with one of our tax representatives. We'll give you a call and go through your unique tax situation. You can also email us at inquiry@nolimittaxtuckerga.com. And I know that is a lot of information to remember, so I'm also putting all of those links in the description of this video. So feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. That's what we love to do, is serve our clients. And I'm going to end this video here. I really hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please like or love this video. Feel free to share it with your friends and family. Again, like I said, I'll be releasing more videos, so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or go on our Facebook page to keep up with these videos. Once again, family, thank you for allowing me to come on here and educate you about the new tax laws. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will be speaking to you again shortly. Take care.